Hello guys, today we're going to be using the Japanese cruiser Agano. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not good at pronunciation, so hopefully I pronounced it well. Okay, we have a good team. Good team. Like S1, they have catch off. Pretty good, really good. They have a really good team in terms of air superiority. Well, since I have torpedoes and hydroacoustic surge, I'll just go to the front lines because that's probably best. Out of my range. Nothing else. I think so. How the heck am I running at 153 FPS? This is crazy. Oh shoot! That's sure right there. Who the heck is this guy? I think I should get out of here. I seriously think I should get out of here. Holy moly. I'm getting beaten up at Omaha. I should really get out of here. Smoke screen. Can everybody stop shooting me for like a second? Bruh. Why again? Whoa, I'm so low now. Can I even survive this? Come on. Well guys, that was the most stupidest battle I've ever played. Hope you had a good time watching me kind of basically fail. But thanks for watching.